Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing good and I hope you all are living a healthy and happy life with your family, with your friends. So this is Purba. I live here in Aalborg, Denmark, and in my channel I regularly upload videos and vlogs on healthy recipes, healthy diet, full day healthy meal plan, weight loss diet plan, and also my regular family vlogs. So thank you so much for watching my vlogs and videos. So now let's start today's video. In today's video I'll be sharing with you all winter special healthy full day Indian meal plan to lose your weight and also to maintain a healthy weight. So now let's start today's video. Now, as an early morning drink after waking up in the morning time, you can have chia seed water. In warm water, you can add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. My friends, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds have almost 10 grams of fiber. Actually, that is around 40% of recommended daily fiber. And we all know diets high in fiber have been linked to weight loss. So my friends, you can definitely give it a try. So after waking up in the morning, within 10-15 minutes, you can start a healthy day by this healthy drink. So yes, chia seed water, you can soak the chia seed for 10-15 minutes and then you can peacefully enjoy this wonderful morning drink. And I'm sure definitely you will be able to lose your weight very fast, and also you can maintain a good weight with this chia seed water. And after having your morning drink, within 1 hour you should take your breakfast. My friends, your breakfast should be protein rich, fiber enriched, and also with carbs. Breakfast will give you proper energy for your day, so definitely you should have your breakfast and you should have your healthy breakfast and never skip your breakfast. So here I'm making a very simple healthy sabji that I'll make with cauliflower. My friends, cauliflower is my favorite sabji, especially in the winter time. Also my husband loves it, and cauliflower helps to lose your weight and it's loaded with fiber and essential nutrients. So now let's start making the sabji. This is super simple. In the pan I have added just little amount of olive oil, and then I have added some kalonji seeds and dry red chili, and then I have added some onion, and then small pieces of cauliflower and some potatoes. We Bengalis love to add potatoes in our sabji, so this is how we make it, with very less masala and very less oil. And just I have added some salt and turmeric powder, and after that I'll add some coriander leaves or dhania patta and black pepper powder. So my friends, this is it. I have added some water and also I have covered the lid. It will be ready within just 5 to 10 minutes. And here I am making my whole grain chapati. So yes, this is multi-grain chapati, good for your winter season. And of course I'll add some ghee on top of my chapati. My friends, ghee is a very healthy form of fat and ghee is very healthy. You should definitely add ghee in your healthy diet plan. So yes, you can add ghee on chapati, you can add ghee on paratha, you can add ghee on dal. So yes, try to add ghee in your diet. It's good for your bone health, it's good for your skin and hair, and also it's good for your overall weight maintenance. And here comes the typical Indian style, super healthy, super nutritious, delicious, protein and fiber enriched breakfast platter, and very simple to make too. And for our everyday diet, this is actually perfect. So 2 medium-sized chapati, some salad on side, and also fiber enriched cauliflower ki sabji, and of course 1 egg, because your breakfast should be protein enriched. And after healthy breakfast and after having your mid-morning snacks, now it's time to make a healthy, super delicious and wholesome Indian style lunch. So my friends, for today's lunch I'm making some chicken curry. And chicken is very healthy, it's good for your weight loss journey, it's lean protein, it's white protein, so that's why it helps you to lose your weight. And today I'm making this chicken curry. It's a very simple Bengali style. First of all, I have marinated my chicken pieces with basic masalas like coriander powder, turmeric powder, and little bit of cumin powder or jeera powder. Also, I have added a grated onion into it, and also 1 tablespoon of dahi, that is yogurt. And yes, I have marinated these chicken pieces for 30 minutes. This way actually it will take very less time to get cooked, and I always follow this method. My mom actually told me to make chicken in this way, so this is actually very helpful and very easy recipe. So in the oil I have added some tej pata, that is bay leaf. It gives a lot of flavor into the dish, and all. And also I have added some cardamom, green cardamom, and some cloves. All these spices, they have medicinal value and they can boost your immunity. So my friends, it's winter time. If you want to get fit, definitely you should add these masalas into your diet, and also definitely it will add a lot of flavor into this chicken curry. And I have added chopped tomatoes. So this is very simple recipe. Also I have added 2 potatoes into it, and now I'm mixing everything well. We Bengalis, we call it koshano, chicken koshano. So yes, we are doing it in this way. And also at the end, after mixing everything well, here I have added some warm water, and now I'll cover the lid. You can definitely transfer it into the pressure cooker. It will take just 5 to 7 minutes to get cooked, or you can make it in the kadhai. Today I'm making it in the kadhai only. So here my lunch is absolutely ready. You can see in the pressure cooker I have made some sabji dal, and here my chicken curry. It's looking very healthy, very fresh, and very colorful. So yes, this is how my fresh garma garam lunch is ready. Now it's time to serve the lunch. So 1 bowl of rice, 1 bowl of dal with sabji, some salad on side, and 1 bowl of chicken curry. And definitely within 1 to 1:30 you should finish your lunch. And this is how the healthy lunch platter looks like. So I hope you have enjoyed my very super healthy chicken curry recipe, and also this dal recipe I have shared many times in my channel. So yeah. And now it's time to have evening or afternoon snacks. My friends, in this time we all have the craving to have very unhealthy junk food outside, but definitely you should control it. If you want to lose your weight after doing your evening exercise for 30 minutes, you all can have 1 cup of black coffee with 2 oats biscuits or digestive biscuits. This is very healthy multigrain biscuits. You can have some dry fruits, you can have some dates, almonds, or walnuts, peanuts, and also you can have 1 boiled egg. So this is how a healthy evening snacks platter looks like. And now it's time to make healthy dinner. My friends, in dinner you can skip carb, or you can have just a small amount of carb. You can have 1 chapati, you can have 1 small bowl of rice. But today I'm taking my dinner without carb, and I'm sharing a very healthy recipe with you all. This is actually vegetable saute. Whatever veggies are available in your kitchen, you can use them. So in olive oil, here I have added some garlic cloves, and then I have added broccoli. Broccoli is rich in fiber, rich in vitamin A, and also rich in iron. So it's very good for your health, especially for women. And here with broccoli I have added some prawns, fresh prawns, and also I have added some bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. And then I'm mixing everything well. Also I'll add some peas, and then I'll add some rajma to make it even more protein rich. And here I'm not using any masalas, just I'll add some black pepper, and definitely I have added some salt. So yes, just salt and pepper, and then I'll add some rajma, and it will be super yummy, super healthy, and you can have it just like that. Or if you cannot finish your dinner without taking carb, then you can definitely have small amount of rice, or you can have some chapati, just 1 chapati. My friends, here instead of prawn, if you are vegetarian, you can use soybean, you can use paneer, you can use tofu. So these you can definitely use. But yes, today I have some fresh prawns in my kitchen, so I have added them. And yes, also I have added some mushrooms. So whatever veggies are available, you can add them. It will be super healthy, super delicious, super nutritious, and it will be absolutely fiber and protein enriched and good for your weight loss journey. So yes, around 8 to 8:30 you should finish your dinner, and around bedtime if you feel hungry, definitely you can have 1 cup of milk with turmeric. My friends, I have told you many times, turmeric milk is very good for your health, and it will help you to lose your weight, and definitely it will boost your immunity. That is very important nowadays. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed my full day healthy Indian meal plan to lose your weight. So please take care of your health, do your regular exercise, drink plenty of water, and also eat a lot of healthy fresh fruits and vegetables, seasonal fruits and vegetables, and take care of your health. So I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. So till then, you take care and enjoy your holidays.